It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to blonde, falling for each other. Thinking orange skies, feeling super childish without a brother. She's far from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no eyes, man, was all in the room.